Hi friends, I hope you guys are having an inspiring day today. Thank you guys so much for voting on the community channel about my hair transformation vlog. I am just headed to a salon now. It's a brand new salon in my area that opened up that I've never tried before. It's called CL Salon, and I'm going to transform my hair. I'm not really 100% sure what I want to do yet. I think I want to do a updated blonde balayage, but I figured I would bring you guys along with me for the transformation in case you guys are also looking to get your hair done, or if you're like me and have really dark Asian hair and are thinking of going blonde. I found that before I started doing blonde hair, I kind of wanted to see what it was going to be like, what the process was going to be like. Anyways, let's go get our hair transformed. So I'm at CL Salon here, which is a salon that's actually really close to my hood, my neighborhood. They're here at Laura and Bathurst. I'm here with Amanda. She's gonna be doing my hair today, and I think that we're gonna go for like an updated blonde balayage, just kind of update my pseudo ombre. This was definitely not intentional. This kind of went to my root before, and then I let my hair grow out just to give it a little bit of a break, but now I think it's time for a little bit of an update. So this is what my hair kind of looks like before. There's quite a bit of breakage, but it's really uneven, and there's like these patchy areas and stuff here, so we're hoping to fix that up. Yeah, here's my before.
So we're mixing bleach right now. We're gonna start soft, and then eventually we're gonna bump up the volume so that we can get the last pieces pretty bright. I'm gonna add a bond protector into my formula.
This always looks like science to me. This all is like so much chemistry. I have no idea what's happening. So first set of foils is pretty much in. So Amanda kind of feathered in the blonde to kind of blend what I have here already in with the new bleached area. And we're just finishing the top part now. Okay, so now 100% of the foils are in. This is the first bleaching round, kind of feathered in, so hopefully it'll make for a nice blend. And then we're gonna take this out soon. Amanda's gonna go back in with the bleach and redo all of it to get it a little bit lighter. And yeah, so until then, I'm Miss Tinfoil Head. One of the things that I feel like people don't tell you about getting your hair bleached or blonde, especially if you're coming from such a dark color like black, is the fact that you need time. Like, nobody is going to do your hair, lift your hair from black to blonde in like an hour and a half to 2 hours unless your hair is already really light. So I think the biggest tip is like, be patient, make sure you trust your stylist, and kind of be patient with your hair too. All hair lifts at like different times and different paces, so you want to be sure you're super patient with your hair. Going in for our round 2, and it's looking pretty good back there. Look at how blonde she is. Woot woot. Another thing to remember and to be patient with when you're getting your hair blonde, especially from a dark base, is that your hair is going to probably turn orange and like really brassy at first, but that's pretty normal, kind of like this. We are almost done, but I have moved from foil head to now towel head because we are trapping in the heat here that kind of activates the bleach, and obviously the parts on the lower head have a lot more heat than the ones up here that aren't covered with foil. So Amanda put some towels on it to keep the heat in so that we don't actually have to use a heater, which can be really damaging for your hair. They were so nice and ordered pizza because bleaching is a process and I am here for it. Trying not to eat bleach while I eat my pizza. So update, it is now 2:21 and I've been here since 11 a.m. So it's been about 3.5 hours. We are pretty much done all of the bleaching, and then we're gonna rinse this out and tone, but this has honestly been the fastest I've ever had my hair kind of bleached and lifted. But obviously if you are looking to get your hair done and lifting it from a really dark color, it's gonna take pretty much the whole day, but this is honestly a lot faster than I expected. So that is the update so far. I'm excited to see when it actually gets rinsed out though, because that's typically when you know whether or not something's gonna look good or not.
I think this is the fanciest shirt anyone's ever worn to the salon.
Really?
Yeah, to get their hair done.
It's because it's silky and it feels like pajamas.
True. Okay, we're gonna take all the back with me.
Zara dress for the win. Now we are taking out the foils at the back where it's pretty much done lightening up. And I think they're looking good. Oh my god, I just noticed your ceilings have stars on them. Oh my god, that's awesome. Look at the ceiling. I look like a real alien now with my tinfoil head and the stars in the background. I'm literally in bed, but getting my hair washed is the best feeling ever. For the record, this is the best part of any salon visit. So we're looking pretty good. So blonde. Now we are going in with the toner. What is the toner for? What does toner do again?
It changes the color of the hair. So it tones the yellow out.
So we're getting rid of the brassiness. Not that brassiness is a bad thing. Brassiness can be a good thing. You can want brassiness. I don't know. All done. It's done. It looks so good. We definitely didn't go as solid blonde as I initially wanted to, but I think that it's so much better for my hair that I didn't and that we didn't. Sorry about that, guys. My camera died on me, but this is the final result and I am so much happier with how well the blonde is blended. I feel like the transformation really updated what used to be, you know, full blonde to something that was a lot more wearable and something that'll grow out really nicely. I'm actually gonna go visit the salon again and we're just gonna go in and do a couple more pieces of blonde just so that it's a little bit brighter, but I really respect the fact that, you know, they were really careful about my hair quality and they didn't want to create any more breakage that had been done in the past. I really respect when a salon can put their foot down and be like, girl, you don't get that right now, you get it in like a couple weeks. I think that that is the mark of a true professional. But anyhow, I just want to show you guys the final result. It looks so much better. They kind of blended in my breakage as well, which is really nice. And yeah, I'm so excited and I'm so happy that I found a salon that's closer to me. I hope you guys liked coming to the salon with me and kind of seeing this transformation. I know for me, when I was getting blonde done for the very first time, I was so nervous and like watched so many YouTube videos of other girls who have gone to the salon and kind of like a tidbit of like how they did their hair, and I hope you guys liked coming along with me too. If you did like the video, make sure to give it a big inspired thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you think of the hair, and if you like videos coming along with me to things like this, and if you're new to the Inspired family, of course, we would love it if you would subscribe, right, Sims? Oh God, Sims, right? Right? Yeah, do you like my new hair? Do you like it? I think he likes it. But with that, I hope you guys have an inspiring rest of your day and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.